What does a spider taste like?
Spider taste look like the, let's bet, peanut. I was born in Cambodian province with my family is in small town. And I learned cooking with my mom every day when I was 12 years old. Hey, nice to see you. Good to see you. First, we go to market to buy everything. Then we come back to home. The color. Clean fish, clean meat, clean vegetable. What have really cheese but I try with the sun of the day. All my guests, they taste my food, they are feel very happy, good. I have very, very happy. No, thank you for you. Hey, anh nhong quan mất nào đấy. Anh nên cái quay cho anh thấy. Thêm đi, thêm rồi ready but hot. Bay đại. Cái đó.